Welcome to the North Carolina ECATS Training Video Suite. This video will demonstrate the progress monitoring process. The progress monitoring landing page is a list of students that you have the ability to view and/or edit progress monitoring with data collection. In order for a student to pull into the list, you must be on their IEP team and they must have a currently valid finalized IEP. To get to this landing page, you will select Progress Monitoring in the menu bar. You will see your caseload of students display here. Once on the student list screen, you have the option of choosing individual students or all students to pull into the wizard, selecting individual checkboxes to the left of the student code, or by clicking the Check All, Check None link. After selecting your students, click Launch Wizard at the bottom right-hand side of the student list. Once you launch the application, the list of students that you selected will appear on the left column of the screen in a tabbed format. Click on a student's name in order to view an at-a-glance view of their goals per the currently valid IEP or the IEP Progress Monitoring Change Event, broken out by present level areas. In order to set up goals for progress monitoring, click the Setup link. After clicking Setup, you will be taken to the data collection setup page shown here. Each of the fields below must be created in order for the goal to pull into the data collection tab. From this page, you will see that the goal attainment date and mastery criteria pull into the top section. In order to complete goal setup, you should complete the following fields. Collection method. This is a list of best practice data collection methods. What you choose here will determine what options are available for measure type and student response key. Measure type. This term refers to how your data will be summarized and will be the label of your y-axis on your graph. Student response key. Menu of choices on how a staff member would like to enter student responses to data collection. If prompt is chosen as a student response, the prompt levels will need to be defined as correct with a plus sign or incorrect with a minus sign student responses. Ceiling. The upper limit of measurement that can be recorded or graphed on the y-axis. For example, if your data collection unit is in percentages, the ceiling would be 100. Collection skills. Allows for collecting data on multiple skill areas or topics during a single data collection session. In order to utilize this field, you must set up collection skills via the Collection Skill Bank. Number of sessions. The number of times that the student will have data collected for this particular goal prior to the attainment date. Progress monitoring defaults to 72 sessions, 2 data collections per week, which is the recommended minimum in data collection sessions. However, you can change this to another number. Skill areas will list across the header of the data collection session screen with individual checkboxes for each. You can edit the skill areas for each data collection session if you want to collect data on only 2 of the 3 objects. Click the Setup button and then the Collection Skill Bank link within the Goal Setup window. This window will appear. Click Add Area to add a new collection skill area. Name the skill area and click Save. You will be returned to the Collection Skill Area window. You now have the option to add skills to the skill area via the Add Skill link. Skills are key milestones to achieve while working towards the goal and can be thought of as objectives. Enter skill text and click Save. Add any additional skills and close the Collection Skills Area window. Proceed to complete goal setup. Please note, you may add skills after you begin collecting data. However, you cannot delete skills once data collection has begun. Steps are static and will appear at each data collection session on the left side of the screen. For those goals that do not need steps, it is not required that they be entered. Once data collection has been entered into the progress monitoring application, the data collection setup information is read-only. You will see the fields turn gray, noting that they are not editable. You may add steps to goals with data already collected on them, but no other data is editable. After setting up the goals, you are ready to collect data on a goal. From the student list, click on the student's name on the left-hand side and click the data collection link. From the data collection window, view the full details regarding a goal by clicking the arrow on the top right. To begin a new data collection session, click on the New Session link beside the Print Report icon. You will be taken to the following New Session window. In order to record a data session, complete the following fields. Response: whether the student was correct or incorrect for that particular step and skill. Not presented: check this box if data collection on that particular step and skill was not presented to the student. Recording date: the date that the data was collected on the student. Comments: any additional notes that pertain to this session. After completing each of these fields, click Save and Continue in order to return to the data collection window. After recording the baseline data, you are able to record instructional data by clicking the New Session link. This concludes our video on progress monitoring. For videos highlighting other sections of the eCATS application, choose another selection from the eCATS Training Video Suite found on your main menu page.